In a world that's more connected than ever before, language remains one of the most significant barriers to global unity. Yet, it's through the power of translation that we bridge these divides, making communication possible across cultures, borders, and time. Translation is not just about converting words from one language to another. It's about preserving meaning, conveying emotion, and fostering understanding. Whether it's in literature, business, or daily life, translation connects people who would otherwise remain isolated in their linguistic worlds. Think of the world's most impactful speeches. Without translation, these words would be confined to a single audience, their messages lost to the rest of the world. But with translation, ideas spread, cultures exchange, and progress is made. Translation has played a pivotal role in sharing the world's greatest stories across cultures and generations. Take, for example, Miguel de Cervantes' Don Quixote, a masterpiece of Spanish literature that has been translated into over 50 languages, it allowing readers from all corners of the globe to embark on the knight's unforgettable adventures. Then there's Gabriel Garcia Marquez's 100 Years of Solitude, originally written in Spanish. Its translation brought the magic of Latin American literature to the rest of the world, earning Garcia Marquez the Nobel Prize and cementing the novel's place as a global literary treasure. And it's not just literature, translation plays a critical role in the success of international cinema as well. The South Korean film Parasite is a prime example.
부자인데 착하다니까. 진짜니까 착한 거지. I'm deadly serious.
근데 지금 진짜로 이상한 게 뭔 것 같아.
Despite its dialogue being in Korean, subtitles and dubbing allowed it to resonate with audiences worldwide, ultimately becoming the first non-English language film to win the Academy Award for Best Picture. Today, technology plays a crucial role in translation. From AI-driven translation services to real-time speech translation apps, we are closer than ever to overcoming language barriers entirely. Translation is the bridge that connects diverse cultures, allowing the arts to speak to everyone, no matter the language. It turns stories, films, and songs into universal experiences, making sure that no one is left out of the conversation. Every translated word opens a door to new perspectives, fostering understanding and empathy across the globe. By breaking down language barriers, translation brings us closer together, celebrating our shared humanity. Let's embrace the power of translation to create a world where every voice is heard and every story is shared. Keep the conversation going, one word at a time.